Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'll be explaining problem B of starters 138 div 2. Okay, problem name is distinct substring. First of all, let's try to understand the problem statement, then we will see how we can solve this. Okay, what problem says is a binary string is a string consisting of 0 and 1. We all know this, and we define an island is a substring consisting of zeros, okay, bounded by ones or the ends of the string. Okay, what they're saying is you have been given a binary string. Okay, like here as you can see, this is a binary string 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, now in this binary string they are calling an island as number of zeros that are surrounded by 1 on either side. Okay, like as you can see here that there is a 1 on the left hand side and on the right hand side as well. So this can be considered as island, this complete substring which consists of zeros. Okay, similarly, this can also be considered as island because any one side should be land. Okay, one is land and zero is water. The only condition is either side should be a land. Like here as you can see that on the left hand side there is a land, so this can be considered as a island. Okay, and the length of the island will be the length of the substring which is consisting of zeros. Like here, this is the island of length 3 and this is the island of length 2. Now what they're saying is they have been given a length n. Okay, means you have to form a binary string of length n such that there should be exactly k islands in that particular string. Okay, exactly k islands, and the definition of island I have explained here. Now what they are saying is you have to construct a binary string of length n such that there should be exactly k islands. Okay, exactly k. Like here in this string you can see that there are two islands. One is this and one is this. So you have to construct a binary string of length n such that there are exactly k islands, and the length of each island should be distinct. Here they have mentioned this thing. Okay, here exactly k islands in the string, and each island has distinct length. Each island has distinct length means all the islands that you will form should have distinct length. Like here, this island is having a length of 3 and this is having a length of 2, so both are distinct. So this is what you have to do. Now let's talk about how to solve this problem. Very easy. What you have to do is try to make as much as islands you can. Okay, if you make 4 islands, then definitely you can make 3 islands as well, because let's suppose here you are able to make 2 islands. Okay, now I am saying that if you are able to make 2 islands, you can also make 1 island. Why I am saying this? Because you have to make exactly k islands, not more than k, not less than k. Okay, so if you are able to make islands greater than equals to k, then definitely you will make island exactly equals to k also. That is what I am trying to say here. And why so? As example here, we are able to make 2 islands here. Okay, let's suppose now I'm saying that remove this one and just place 0 here. Now we are having only 1 island. Okay, now accordingly we will make 1 island. It means if we are able to make x number of islands, then definitely we'll be able to make less than x number of islands. This is what I'm trying to say. Now don't think about binary search, just a simple observation. What we will do is we will try to make as many islands as we can. Okay, and if the maximum possible islands is greater than or equals to k, then answer is yes, otherwise answer is no. And what is the best scenario to place the zeros and ones so that we will end up having maximum number of islands? That case will be, we will arrange numbers like, first of all we will try to make island of length 1. Okay, length 1, fine. Now in order to get the island of length 2, you have to place a breakpoint here, means a land should be here, because if you place only zeros here, then that will be combined into this. Okay, and that will be considered as a single island. So in order to have an island of length 2, you will have to place a land here, then place islands of length 2, island of length 2 basically. Okay, now in order to have an island of length 3, you have to place a wall here, or you can say land here, then place island of length 3. Okay, in this manner just calculate that how long you can go and make, and how much maximum islands that you can form using n characters. Fine. And how to do that? This is a general thing. For example, for the first island you are utilizing 2 characters. For the second island, means for the island of length 2, you are utilizing 3 characters, and for the island of length 3 you are utilizing 4 characters. Okay, so what you will do, just start with 2. Okay, and add 2 plus 3 plus 4 until you will reach n, until you will reach less than equals to 10. 4 plus 3 plus 2, what is this amount? 9. Okay, means if we are having n as 10, then we can place three islands, okay, one of length 2, one of length 3, and one of length 4. And this is the best scenario that you can place three islands of distinct lengths, okay. So what will be the answer? 2 plus 4 plus 3, that is 3. So the answer for 10 is going to be 3, okay. This is only the case. And how to calculate? Okay, let me explain you. Start with 2. One more case here. As you are starting with 2, then let's suppose the case is 8 and 3, okay. So you will say that, okay, 2 plus 3, 6 plus 4, that will be 10. So you have to stop here. You are saying that you can only form the island of length, you can only form two islands of distinct length, means 2 plus 3, because if you will add 4, then it will exceed 8, okay. And you have to place exactly 3 islands. So answer for this case is going to be no. But no, this is not the case. You will form island of length 8. How so? For example, you have placed 2 and 3, okay, fine. And how it is going? Let's try to make it. Island of length 1, island of length 2, okay. Now island of length 3, fine. You are calculating this as considering this one also, okay. With this one we are calculating all the answers in order to have the things in a general manner. For that reason we are taking this one is also into consideration, okay. Because for the next island we have to place 1 here also, and this is the last case that we don't have to place 1 here. Means if it is the last island that we are placing, okay, then in that case we can ignore the last one, fine. Now if you will ignore the last one here, what will happen? The length will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and here as you can see 8 is here, and 3 islands of distinct length we can form here. So what you can do, if you can check the condition in no matter how you implement this, but you have to just check one condition, that if let's suppose this value is x, okay. Now x plus next, I'm calling next as 4, means 2 will be the next, because if x is 2, then what is the next value that you have to add? Next is 3. Now if x is 3, then what is the next value? 4 is the next value, okay. Now if x plus next, okay, x plus next minus 1 is equals to n, okay, then in that case you can add one more island, okay, answer plus plus. And if answer is greater than k, greater than equals to k, then just print yes, otherwise print no. This is only the logic of this problem. I hope you are getting everything in this problem, okay. Let me summarize it. What they are asking is they have given us a length n and a length k, and what you have to do, we have to form a binary string of length n such that there should be exactly k islands in this string that we will form of length n, and each island should have distinct length, okay. This is the only condition they have mentioned here, and accordingly we have to form the answer. Means we have to just print yes or no, that whether it is possible or not to form a binary string such that exactly k islands of distinct length are possible in that, okay. This is what we have to do. Now for that, what we have done, we have tried to make as many as islands possible, because we have observed here one thing, that if we are able to make let's suppose p islands, then we can definitely form less than p islands, okay. It could be p minus 1, it could be p minus 2, no matter how much. If it is less than p, then we can definitely form it. So we are trying to find the maximum number of islands that we can form, okay. And if it is greater than equals to k, then answer is yes, otherwise no. This is the thing that we are doing here, and how to do that I have explained here. So thank you for watching this. I will make the tutorial of CED also. So stay tuned and happy coding.